My name is Richard Schuler. I've been an attorney in Florida since 1974. I started our firm in 1978. My client, he was employed by a large corporation. On the day of the accident, he was in a company car. He was heading south on I-95. A car traveling west, a brand new Range Rover, ran a red light and hit my client flush right on the driver's side door. He took the brunt of the impact. He kept having severe headaches. Unfortunately, the doctor that he had seen initially in the hospital would not give him an appointment for several months. He asked the physiatrist for a recommendation, who recommended another neurosurgeon who saw him right away, and literally that day put him in the hospital. Could not believe what he saw on the scan, which were the collection of a liquid toward the front part of his brain. And so he had to open up his skull, go into his brain, relieve the pressure. His headaches pretty much stopped right away. We had to demonstrate through the DK Global presentation the severity of the injuries and the impact on his life. The way it was done was superb because you kind of start from the superficial hematomas and then to the soft tissue injuries and then to the fractures. DK Global did an excellent job in taking the CAT scans, the MRIs, and the x-rays and being able to portray through those in sequence the axonal injuries to the brain, the temporal hygromas, the subdural hematoma, and the white matter damage that he suffered. And this is where I think DK Global was one of the best performances in terms of visual impact. Not only were the injuries, the brain injuries, well documented and displayed visually, but they were tied in visually to the realization that their maximum functioning now may only be 75 or 50% of what it was before. The initial offer was $2 million. At the conclusion of the mediation, and thanks to the DK Global presentation, the case settled for $5.1 million. Working with DK Global was very seamless, probably one of the easiest working relationships that I've had as far as putting together visuals are concerned. DK Global staff is very knowledgeable, very helpful. It was a very good mix in DK Global's presentation between photographs and artistic depictions. The final product was beautiful. It was really excellent. There's no question that it helped resolve the case faster.